Kachnong kajongi ron halor jong ulum yakaba ngisem shibun kijinge yakaba nginyo yakni ki telong umbam di hapo jong kini shnong kijongi tedeleng ba kanika Springshed committee yakaba nakliang jong ka soil department hi kalawan ban ai hangi kum ka committee yakaba kumno nginang ban pendonkam yaki.
Springshed Development Works for Rejuvenation of Springs is an NAFCC project. It started in 2016-17 and here in the southwest Khasi Hills, the first at the outset we had started surveying first and quite a number of springs were surveyed, but then at the end we had taken up 40 springs to be treated. These 40 springs we had divided them into 5 clusters. Ramblang cluster, which has 12 villages. Shkimaulen cluster has got 8 villages. Rangthok cluster has 3, Ngunrao 1 and Domsken 1. Total project cost is around 295.95 lakhs.
Te lengba jong kanika Springshed committee kalawra shibun kijingkla hapo jong kashnong kathau kijongi ngilayo banjit ban khmi ban pej ya kijindon kam kiba kum kinong shnong ngidon kam.
So in order to ensure to enhance the water, the food and livelihood security of vulnerable communities through scientific interventions. So the first thing we had done is we had taken up activities like trenches, check dams, dugout ponds, afforestation programs, and some livelihood activities also were given to the beneficiaries. We have also appointed para-hydrologists in these villages, one para-hydrologist in one village. So these para-hydrologists, they help in the collection of data from those springs, and we found that there is a great improvement in the amount of water that the village is getting now, that there is an improvement.
Kum makalong hadu menta kini ki tolong umbam umdi laneng laban ong ba kicaka wat kicaka sajanyru teng-teng ke bang penun kam ko binong song snong klairap sibun yingi ya ka ba kumno nginang yo ik tlong ki ba khamjan bat balang ba jong gini ki kajing thung ding lane kajing ti ya gini ki trends hapo jong gini ki tolong bam di pairap sibun ban kham penroi su ya ka
Chua chỉ là chưa tông bạch na này phật nạ sẽ phật uy en tạo chân ông uy en chua chỉ tông đã kiti sudah jadi kiti sujungut sudi châu làm ta lại bahak lại miết jistanat tông qua dan dik chua kiti đâm nó đây chỉ dik là này dia đâm ta là kham suk là kham aram cái en này phật tu kila pencena lah penia, dia datang baru sengai cila dap cila ya, kalau ia dap baru cenong entah.
Nilayo sipun ki training, ya ki banak liang jong ka soil and water conservation kalawan hapo jong ni ka area ka jongi, ya ki ban penlong ya ki awareness program. Kata kalong ban hikai nak benta jongi kinong song snong bakum no nginang ya ka ban tengkai ya ki ya ka ban yada ya ka jing sharong no jong ka khendeu ban thung ban penne ya ki ding ki si hakilum ki wa ki badon hak kini ki dong ki thain ki jongi hadir ni ya ka ban nakaliang jong kani ka awareness program ka komiti klayo banjit ya ki katu katne ki dekhot napo jong ki snong ki jongi ya ka bakin lek ki training ki bafer ki jing hikai ki baki kiyo leng pa ki training kala ora ki jing mentoy na ka benta ki snong leng ba kani ka Springshed komiti ka bangi ngidon kala ai jing irap ya kita ki ba lalek ki training ki bafer ki balai hakaris niang ki ai ki sniang ki balai hakaris iar ki ai ki iar bat ki balai hak training ringap ki yo ya gitu ki singap na ka benta bakinri
ngadap ngesukumen na ka benta kana ka yong ngaco resnyang laco ya yo ya rap leng ba project Springshed Jelasnya mentai nama arcila co ereo tasnyang nengkong hausnem bu cico arpel hajar di cipen lut na hayong cenasem kad ru hajar tam te cico tidan we sunyang ha hajar kat prah telenti cide dan sunyang prah hajar kenda hajar citeng la deno lanti cico tidan sa artaisnyang tid artaisnyang cide dan kendai citeng we ha arajar ka kendai lem tipa jar we da mene arajar arpeu dan jotit dat we kat nu chnyo mentoy ka cico ene we arab la Springshed te cico ben kercian ya chung ya sam cico ben pendap namar cilong buru buduk ta rangkat ka chung asam cici entar ruken te namar pawa enrat ti cicok kercanda tayong ci resnyang.
We have been doing afforestation works and around 101,49,000 seedlings were planted last year. So these are in the process of growing up, and of course there are casualties also because of the fire hazards, and refilling had been done this year.
Nalor bagila te egitleu kumbangi I menta kila thung sai kiding kumbangi te bakiding kiding ki wei ki judging thung la ne kita ki bangi la ban ong bagila ban bat la ne ban pen he la ne ban pen kham ne slam ya ko ha ki jaka balong terkhong ku balong hang ne po snong jongi te de lang ba ka jing don jongi ni kiding ki ba ka soil department lang ba ka ni project Springshed kumba kalong mentah kini kiding ni ba kila sedang jerngam kila sedang kilung te ngidon jingkermen ba kini kiding ro kinong ki wei pat ki benta ki bala ban pat lane ban story ko hagini ki jaka rana belum jongi khnang ba kini ki bam di jongi ro kinang he lane kinang kiu na ko wei ka por sa ko wei ka por. Kapa aru ngasngo ban ai kublai nak benta kane ka spring committee ba kala ai ru ya kiding so hang ne hapo snong jongi haman la kitliwing te katno kane ru kalong kajing mentoi nang benta kinong snong jongi ba leng ba kini kiding so le se ngin yo kajing mentoi hagi babon rukom.
And besides that, we have also given livelihood activities to the beneficiaries like piggery and poultry. And this time we are going to distribute the beehives, that is apiculture and fishery.
Aku belajar kan Springshed Khasi bu kalau uyong ni Arab yang alu tai ni son bon seng ya kini ngap ha. Terus mentah sibon yang Arab yang lan ya Springshed temen tang la cok thedi newi sengap bungan sa rew te lenewang ngaku abun ngan pen kulot beha jerong bon pen kebak ya newi ya yang rew ngap. Ngan sa persang bon ngan tre citom yana kam bon ngan penku yung cho leneo la chi son kalong sau kilo ji ha neo de bu en telong ke mariang ke bahare ho telong ji klotat arloi sihaka senam ndala cho ndala la mojli neli ngap le ne vitali ngap ngala la bon cho kheng cho dang la bentai yung aneo yung uyong aneo ha besar ya.
Lengba jong kanika Springshed committee ngayu iba kalong sya ka jingkela ya kini ki beneficiaries ki playo ite ki jingira ha ka jaka ya ka ba kin penut ka por ka jongki kum bujulong lengba kini ki snam ki ba khamun shwa ba ki ba ki trai kalong ki balakta bat penjot ya ka mariang Henry ba lengba jong kini ki scheme ki ba ki yo ki jingirap ki ba ki yo kalayarap sibun ya ki ya kaba kin ino ikiti kam penjot mariang
siwa kini kitong tong kilong ki bakam duna nama kilong ni ong kumno ka kitin kasi kilong srong nei rei bat kilong tang da ka kendau rei meta leng baga jingwan menteri nagaliang jong ka department te kila long ki bala jeliu ko umru kala dap kala kambiang kami dai syu bat sua kala khambun ka namar ka ne ka pot kala long kepala kham jeliu tela tre daki kendro daki dogilat tap daki dogilat berkutah dan lagi tenat
Tena kalian kan dong jok kan bot handreo baru khot jadon tang kan gawe kapung ha kapor bom padon gini ka jing tungding jo padon ka jing titleo ki lum jong ki long ko sanlen ki batar khong kan ka kalong ka duna bha ting sia yo bantong men step ne hab abiang sakum ba chite sing sayo abiang bantong ne nadu bandon kini jing thong ni ding berti kini thleu ta kala ki sibun sha ki sia tong poho nang ne bagi ne kala abiang nam ta jo kan dong jo kan mo thanreo ding isto ba kalong ka e ba so ai kalong ka sia ji yarap ko bakrao haka ne ji haka ne benta tinga nget belum bagi dong jinon jo kini ding mala deptung jin senang penfu berpinga ka ya ka mariang ka ban pelong ka bajar ngam
ka jing mentoi kalong kuba kabang ilayo ki jing mentoi sibon kilawan thong kini kiting ro saudong kilati kitleu ro saudong jo kini Springshed ha kini ki arlai teli ki jaka la snaro ya kisem jong kimrat no kum kisem siang bat kum ta ter te kene kalong ka jing yo jong bentoi ka ba krau sibuna na ka bentai jong sinong ka thau
Namar kum bakalong leng bai ni kisem ki bakhamun shua bawat ni tolong umbam di ru kilanang ring swai ni kilanang ring snot bat idon kisem ki banglawan ong ba tang hau benai February benai March ngimyo shu bantong umbam di na gitu gijaka tehenrai habang iyo ya gini ki spring baleng ba kan ka soil department lawan ong ba lawan shibun gijingkela.
Those villages which had not been getting water previously during the lean period, season period, they had not been getting water, but now because of these interventions like trenches and all, check dams and all that, so now they can get water throughout the year.
Bat ngi kermen ru ba nang ni syakmat lengba gini ki ding ki bangila thung bat kum juru lengba ni ki tliu ki trans ki bangila ti kanang irap su ya ka ban nang kampen roy su ya gini ki tolong umbam di ki bangidon hapo jong ni ki snong ki jongi
tajis nyo kemen kasoi ke snab hai ni pot ci la tap na simen keti rat ya rat la khoj la tengar enan jo boleh la nau ker nan ni alat
leng ba kan eu yang reus nyang cin sa kermen bu kan sa enak cho ata yang roy yang par apa chung asem ci leng ba kan eu yang ci cho reus nyang
ngi kum kinong shong ni I don jingkermen ba hagawai ka singi le se kan salong hi ka jaka kumbangi imta kalong senlen re hagawai ka singi le se ngin sa I ba kini gilum jungi kinlong ki ba jerngam bat ngiru kum kinong shong hi ngi kulari kata bangin sumar ngin ri ya kini kiting om bangin susania tang ha ka bor jong department lene ka bor jong sarkar re ngi hi kum kinong shong hi ni don hi ka jingkit kli nak banta kalawai jong ka ri lene jong ka snong ka thau barok away.
This project is coming to an end. We've received almost all the funds, and what I can say is that our department has been working in tandem with the communities, with the cluster communities, and I think it's just a successful project, I can say. So other springs, which have not been taken up this time, so perhaps we can take them up again in case another scheme comes of a similar nature, and people are also expecting that actually. Thank you.